is Tina from JUNMU. We are the left-wing equipment manufacturer in China.
Today, I will introduce a tabletop large-capacity, high-low-speed refrigerated centrifuge. Its model is 4-20R. Open the door. This refrigerated centrifuge supports a maximum for 750 milliliters swing-out rotor capacity. The chamber and rotor are made of carbon nano-nylon composite material, providing excellent corrosion resistance and rust prevention. Let's take a look at the loading diagram of the swing-out rotor for this model. For centrifuge bottles, it is compatible with for 750 megaliters for times 500 megaliters for 250 megaliters. These are for 750 milliliters centrifuge bottles. For centrifuge tubes, it is compatible with 12 100 megaliters 28 times 50 megaliters 5615 ml. These are 50 milliliters centrifuge tubes with a maximum capacity of 28 tubes. These are 15 milliliters centrifuge tubes with a maximum capacity of 56 tubes. For blood collection tubes, it is compatible with 76 times 10 megaliters 96 times 257 ml. These are 2 to 5 is 7 milliliters blood collection tubes with a maximum capacity of 96 tubes. Close the door. These are the fixed angle and swing-out rotors available for this model. For fixed angle rotor, maximum capacity 100 milliliters. This is a fixed angle rotor, 15 milliliters. This is a fixed angle rotor, 50 milliliters. Also compatible with adapters, 15 milliliters. This is a fixed angle rotor, 24 times 1.5 out milliliters. This is a fixed angle rotor, 48 times 1.5 to milliliters. If you are interested, please contact us.